It's your weekly video. Let's talk about how police are using a victims' rights law to shield themselves from accountability. Here's what I mean. There's a law called Marsy's law. It started in California. It was passed in a number of other states. It has a lot of effects. It is intended to protect victims of crime from having their privacy intruded upon and also to let them participate in legal processes. We can have another conversation about some other unintended effects of this law, which by shielding people from investigation of crimes may actually contribute to wrongful conviction. But we'll table that for now because let's talk first about how the police have captured Marsy's law to use it to their own advantage. So, in state after state, police have been doing this thing where when a police officer hurts a member of the public, they claim that the member of the public did the real crime, that they, the police, are the victims, and that therefore, under Marsy's law, they don't have to disclose the identity of the police officer responsible for the harm, because of course that police officer is the victim now. So examples of this include police officers who have pepper sprayed someone who was handcuffed to a hospital bed, or shot people, or literally taken people's lives, or inappropriately used dogs on people. The scale of violence is really horrible, and also often laughably mismatched. So for example, in that hospital bed example, the person who was handcuffed to the hospital bed, waved his arm at the police officer. The police officer pepper sprayed him. Now, when we think about who did harm there, it's probably not the arm waving guy. And yet that officer successfully argued that he was the victim of the arm waving crime, and therefore his identity should be shielded under Marsy's law. And when I say shielded, I don't just mean, not putting this police officer's social security number in the paper. What I mean is redacting their name and badge number even from legal documents, or blurring their face even out of body camera footage that's released to the public. So full shielding of identity. It has gotten so bad that even the Florida Supreme Court has said this is unconstitutional. But we are still waiting on other states to say the same.